The Dividend Domino Effect, How to Build Wealth Over Time. Welcome to Wealth Echelon, your go-to destination for expert insights on finance, stocks, and ETFs. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and strategies needed to navigate the financial markets with confidence. Whether you're a beginner looking to build a strong investment portfolio or an experienced investor seeking market trends and analysis, we've got you covered. Join us as we break down complex financial concepts, explore market opportunities, and help you climb the ladder to financial success. Subscribe now and take control of your wealth journey. Investing in dividend stocks is one of the most powerful strategies for building long-term wealth. The compounding effect of reinvested dividends, combined with consistent stock appreciation, creates a phenomenon known as the Dividend Domino Effect. This strategy allows investors to achieve exponential growth in their portfolio over time. By carefully selecting high-quality dividend-paying stocks, reinvesting dividends, and maintaining a long-term perspective, investors can create a reliable and growing stream of passive income. Understanding the dividend domino effect. The dividend domino effect refers to the process of reinvesting dividends into additional shares, which then generate more dividends, creating a compounding loop. As time progresses, the increasing number of shares leads to higher dividend payments, and when this cycle continues over decades, the results can be staggering. The beauty of this effect lies in its ability to snowball over time. What starts as small incremental gains eventually transforms into a significant wealth-building mechanism. To put it into perspective, consider an investor who starts with a modest dividend yield. Initially, the reinvested dividends may seem negligible, but over time, as more shares accumulate and dividend payments increase, the portfolio's value starts accelerating at an exponential rate. This compounding effect is similar to rolling a small snowball down a hill. It gradually grows larger and picks up momentum. Furthermore, the dividend domino effect works best when combined with a disciplined, long-term investment approach. By holding on to quality dividend-paying stocks and reinvesting earnings, investors benefit from both rising stock prices and increasing dividend payouts. This strategy is particularly attractive for investors seeking financial independence or a reliable retirement income stream because it allows them to build a passive income source that grows without requiring additional capital investments. Eventually, the accumulated dividends can be used to cover expenses, supplement retirement income, or even be reinvested to continue growing wealth for future generations. The power of compounding with a $100,000 investment. To illustrate the impact of the dividend domino effect, let's consider an investor who starts with a $100,000 portfolio of high-quality dividend-paying stocks. Assume the portfolio has an average dividend yield of 4% annually and an annual dividend growth rate of 6%. Additionally, the overall stock market appreciates by an average of 7% per year. The investor reinvests all dividends and holds the investment for 30 years. Year 1, the investor receives $4,000 in dividends, 4% of $100,000. Reinvesting these dividends allows them to purchase additional shares, increasing their total holdings and future dividend payouts. Meanwhile, the stock portfolio itself grows by 7%, bringing the total portfolio value to $107,000. Year 5, the reinvested dividends and dividend growth rate have increased the annual dividend income to approximately $5,400. The portfolio value has grown to around $140,000 due to stock appreciation and reinvestments. Year 10, the annual dividend income has now reached approximately $7,800 thanks to the compounding effect. The portfolio is valued at around $200,000, with dividends playing a critical role in the growth trajectory. Year 20, by this point, the investor is receiving around $18,000 per year in dividends, a substantial income stream. The portfolio has appreciated to over $400,000. Year 30, the investor now earns approximately $40,000 annually from dividends alone. The portfolio value has surpassed $900,000, demonstrating the incredible impact of compounding and dividend reinvestment over time. The key factors that drive the dividend domino effect. Several factors contribute to the effectiveness of the dividend domino strategy. High-quality dividend stocks. Selecting stocks with a history of stable and growing dividends is essential. Companies with strong financials and consistent cash flow are ideal candidates. Dividend growth rate. Stocks that consistently increase their dividends enhance the compounding effect, accelerating wealth accumulation. Time in the market. The longer the investor stays in the market, the more powerful the compounding effect becomes. Patience is crucial in maximizing returns. Reinvestment of dividends. Automatically reinvesting dividends into additional shares boosts the number of shares owned in future dividend payments. Stock appreciation. While dividends play a significant role, the appreciation of the underlying stock also contributes to portfolio growth. How to select the right dividend stocks. Investors looking to implement the dividend domino effect should focus on selecting the right stocks. Here are some key criteria to consider. Dividend yield. A reasonable dividend yield, typically between 2 to 6%, ensures steady income without sacrificing growth potential. Dividend growth rate. A high and sustainable dividend growth rate enhances future income. Payout ratio. A low to moderate payout ratio, below 60%, indicates that a company can sustain and increase its dividend payments. Industry and economic moat. Companies with strong competitive advantages and stable industries tend to maintain reliable dividend payments. Financial health. Companies with low debt levels and strong free cash flow are more likely to sustain dividends during economic downturns. Many investors use dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, to automate the reinvestment process. DRIPs allow dividends to be used to purchase additional shares automatically, often with little or no transaction fees. This hands-off approach ensures that compounding continues seamlessly and takes advantage of market fluctuations by acquiring more shares when prices are lower. Investors should also consider the tax treatment of dividends. Qualified dividends receive favorable tax rates compared to ordinary income, making them an attractive option for long-term wealth building. However, dividends in taxable accounts may be subject to annual taxation, which can reduce compounding efficiency. Using tax-advantaged accounts, such as IRAs or 401ks, can help defer taxes and maximize compounding benefits. Dividend investing as a path to financial freedom. The ultimate goal of many dividend investors is financial independence. A well-structured dividend portfolio can provide a stable and growing income stream, reducing reliance on employment income. By generating a sufficient amount of passive income from dividends, an investor can cover their daily expenses, enjoy a comfortable lifestyle, and even retire early without worrying about depleting their principal investment. A portfolio generating $40,000 or more in annual dividends can provide financial security, allowing investors to focus on personal interests, travel, and other life goals without being tied to a traditional job. Moreover, because many dividend-paying companies continue to grow and increase their payouts, investors benefit from inflation protection, ensuring their purchasing power remains strong even in retirement. Additionally, dividend investing provides flexibility. Investors can choose to reinvest their dividends during their wealth-building years and switch to receiving direct cash payments once they need income. This adaptability makes dividend investing a viable strategy for individuals at different stages of their financial journey. The dividend domino effect is a powerful strategy for building long-term wealth. By starting with a $100,000 investment and focusing on high-quality dividend stocks, reinvesting dividends, and allowing time to work its magic, investors can see exponential growth in their portfolios. The key to success is patience, consistency, and a disciplined approach to reinvestment. Over decades, this strategy can transform an initial investment into a substantial income-generating asset, providing financial security and independence. Whether you are just beginning your investment journey or looking to enhance your wealth-building strategy, dividend investing offers a reliable and time-tested approach to financial growth. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. At Wealth Echelon, we're all about helping you navigate the world of crypto, investing, and financial growth. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay sharp, stay invested, and I'll see you in the next one.